everyone, welcome back to my channel. Such a pleasure to have you. I appreciate you all tuning in. Today I'll be making a home decor. For this home decor, it can be multi-use. So we can use it in the bathroom, we could use it on the entrance table, it can be for the dining table. For my project today, I'll be using three napkin holder from the dollar store, and I'll be using 3 vase also from the dollar store. I'll be using some crushed glass to put on my vase, and to put the crushed glass on my vase I'll be using some Mod Podge. Also for my bling I'll be using my diamond wrap. You also will need your scissors and a glue gun. And a glue gun. Inside of my vase I have some LED lights from the dollar store. We're going to be using 3 of the round mirrors from the dollar store. All right, let's get started. Let's get this project going. Let me just take this. All right, so the first part of this project, we're going to put our 3 napkin holders together because it's going to take some time to dry. With the E6000, I do apologize, I did not remember to say that we'll also be using the E6000. So the E6000, we'll be using that also with our glue gun. Alright, so you want to set them in line. Make sure that they're in a straight line. And basically, I'm going to be gluing right here because this is where we want them to be joined. Right here. So first I'm going to put some of my E6000. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Pleasure to have you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, I want to say a big thank you. I appreciate you subscribing. Please remember to share all these projects with your friends. And in the description below, you could see my Instagram name and also my Facebook. So you can follow me on Instagram and check me out on Facebook, where I put every day I put something new. All right, after putting the E6000 on, I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue, hot glue, just to keep it in place, because we're gonna need that. The E6000, it does take 24 hours to dry. So what I don't normally do is to put some of my hot glue on there, because the hot glue dry real fast. So we're gonna do that. Also gonna put some to the side. Keep it in place. Okay. While our stand is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put the crushed glass on our vase. All right. To put your Mod Podge on, we're going to use a sponge brush. Okay, so when you're going to pour the crushed glass on your vase, I'd say just get a cardboard or napkin or something, because some of them are going to come off loose, and you want something to be underneath it so it can hold the glass so that you can pour it back in the bottle. Here we go. So when I was done putting my bling wrap to the sides, I decided I was gonna put some bling on top of my mirrors also. So I'm gonna use some of the gemstones that I got at my local dollar store, just to put on top of the mirrors to glamour it up a bit. Because when the candles are in the vase and then you have the gemstone on top of the mirror, and it's gonna look beautiful. All right, there is our finishing look. I am loving it. This can be used as an entrance table decor or anywhere in the house that you want to use it. Thank you for watching another one of my projects. I do appreciate you. God bless you. Have a blessed day.